Hi everyone. For supper tonight we're having slow cooker beer brats. What all goes into our slow cooker beer brats? 1 pound of onions sliced into 1/4 inch rings, and this is 3 pounds, so it'll be about 2 onions. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar, 10 bratwurst, and you can use less if you want. This has 12. I will be using 10 of them. 3 cups beer. That's the cheapest beer I could find because I don't drink beer. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard plus extra for serving. 1/2 teaspoon caraway seeds. 1 cup sauerkraut. 10 hoagies. And I just got the brat extra large buns. So let's begin. That's a lot of onions, but that's 2 onions cut into rings. Add your 1/4 cup soy sauce, your 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, mix it up. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. You want to microwave it until it's softened, stirring halfway through. So you take your slow cooker. After the 5 minutes, you took out your onions and soy sauce and brown sugar mix and dump that into your slow cooker. Careful not to burn yourself because it is hot. And I'm stepping around the dog, so I'm looking like I'm not all there. And just kind of smooth that out. They are nice and soft. Next, lay your 10 bratwursts on top of the onions. If I can get them all in there. There you go, we got all 10 of them in there. So I'm going to set this aside for just a minute. Take a medium bowl, put in your mustard, which is 1/4 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of caraway seeds, and the 3 cups of beer. And any beer will work. I'm using Keystone beer because that was the cheapest they had at the store, and I don't drink beer. So there is the 3 cups of beer, and mix that all up. So take the beer mixture and pour it all over the brats. Trying to get all of the brats submerged since it's so full. I've got some that's sticking up. Cover it, turn it to low and cook it for 6 to 8 minutes or high for 4. So we'll see you then. All right, so here it is 8 hours later, and you want to take the brats out of the sauce. And cover that up with aluminum foil to keep it warm. So then take your 1 cup I drained mine. It didn't say whether to drain it or not, but it's going into liquid. I drained sauerkraut and give that a mix. Whoops, I forgot a bratwurst. He was hiding from me. So then just let the sauerkraut heat up for a few minutes. So I let the sauerkraut onion mix heat up for 3 minutes. Then you want to take a slotted spoon or colander and drain it before putting it into a serving dish. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. So here is the slow cooker beer brats. On it is the sauerkraut and onion mix. And rounding out the meal is Southern Pit baked beans. I'll let Dave do a taste test.
And this is what?
Slow cooker beer brats. Would you rather have regular mustard?
I don't know. Would rather have some mustard. I don't think I've ever eaten any of this before. Seems like it's got a little bit of a kick to it, I don't know. This is actually pretty good. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.